Christmas and it is already getting colder outside. You know, in some countries around the world, there is even snow around Christmas. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own play snow at home. And the best part, we only need 2 ingredients. We need some baking soda that you can buy in a supermarket and some shaving foam. So first we're going to put our baking soda in a cup. Just pour it in just like this. It's white in color, just like snow. Any cup you have at home, and we're just going to fill it with baking soda. I'm going to have to press a little bit so it's all coming out. Just pour it all in. And later we're going to mix it up with our shaving foam. We might have to press a little bit because it's stuck together. There we go. Just shake, 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 pour it all in. It's just like powdery white snow. There we go. Now we have our baking soda ready. You can see the white baking soda, and we're going to put it in a little container. Just pour it all in. And then we're going to shake our shaving foam. Just shake, shake, shake. Give it a good shake. Shake, 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 shake. We open it up. You can try opening it up by yourself. It's sometimes a little bit tricky, but it's good practice. And then we have to press, and some white foam will come up. We're going to press it and squirt it right onto the baking soda. Just like this, you can see the foam. And now all we have to do is mix it together, and you can just use your hand. You can feel the texture, the dry and the wet ingredients mixing up together. And now we're going to make our snow. And you can feel if you want to add a little bit more of the baking soda or the shaving foam. Just going to mix it all together. Give it a good mix with your fingers. It smells really nice too. And just like that, our snow is ready, and then you can use it to play in your home. You can build a snowman just like this. You can press. You can just feel the texture, let it snow, and build your own little winter wonderland. I hope you have fun making your own snow at home, and Merry Christmas to everyone. Bye-bye.